Welcome guys, welcome to another Saturday meal, and this time I am going to make bang bang shrimp. Never been to bonefish and grill? Yeah, whatever it's called. Miss Smarty Pants and Miss Smarty already went there and they kept talking about it, so I am going to attempt to make it. My take, my twist. So here I'm making the bang bang sauce. So I'm using, that's about maybe about almost a cup and a half, not quite. Okay, I'll make this first. Then I'm going to use some sriracha. You know, don't let me squeeze it out, just let me pour it out. It's almost a 1/4 of a cup. Then I'm going to take the sweet chili oil. No, it's not. Sauce. Just about over a 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to mix it. So I guess you marinate, well not marinate, but pour this over your shrimp. See, look, to me it's a little thick. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring. Let me taste this. Maybe need a little more chili sauce. Maybe a little more sriracha. It's your sauce, you make it how you like it. And I think I will add a pinch of Celtic sea salt. I know I flashed that real quick. Yeah. Now we're going to see how it tastes. That's better. If you want to, you can add some soy sauce, or you can add some salt to your taste. Alright, so while that's going, let's do the batter for the shrimp. I am going to use the corn flour, you know, cornstarches. Yeah, I have to be careful with this. This is a 1/2 a cup. I am going to use maybe about a little more, over a cup and a half of cornstarch. And then from there, I am going to season this with my lemon pepper. Mix this up. See how that flour go everywhere? Flour smells good. Well, cornstarch smells good with my lemon seasonings in here. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Then I am going to do the buttermilk. Say maybe about 2 cups. And putting my lemon pepper in it. Stir that up. Oh, sorry. Y'all see the bowl keep moving. That's because Miss Smarty Pants keeps pushing it back. I guess because I keep pushing it up. Because it's out of focus. Add some more. Okay. Like you can't have enough seasoning, right? Okay. And now I'm going to put it in here. That's my shrimp. Alright, let me clean this up and I'll be back. Okay, so I have me a sheet pan here with a rack. I have my shrimp already marinated. And I have my seasoned cornstarch. Okay, so I'm just going to take one and kind of drain it. Kind of want to press it in there. Shake it off. Press the cornstarch in there. Do some more. Now you want these to rest about 2 to 3 minutes to get the cornstarch soaked with the buttermilk. If here you have too much, I think that's too much on that. Shake some of it out. The cornstarch helps the crispness of it. Okay. And your hands will get dirty. Okay, I'm going to show you about 2 more, and then I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest. Okay guys, so I've already battered them up, and you see how the cornstarch soaked in with the buttermilk. That's kind of what you're looking for, okay? So the cornstarch can adhere to the shrimp, and that's what you want to do. Now I already have my pot with the oil in it, and I'm just going to place these in here. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. You're going to let them cook for maybe about a minute, not quite a minute. As Miss Smarty Pants, I have a habit of wanting to stir. You don't stir these right now. I really want to stir it. Don't you like the sound of oil frying and bubbling. I do.
You ain't gonna tell them why they don't stir it.
I don't forgot what you said just that quick. I just know you said don't do it.
You don't stir it because it'll take off the coating.
Okay, there we go. It'll take off the coating.
So you just place them in there and then you just let them fry up. That's it. Don't stir it.
Okay. You seeing how that I got a lot of oil in here? They're kind of like deep frying. So I don't think I need to turn them over. I'm not quite sure. Now can I check?
Yes, Mom, you can check.
I didn't have my pot preheated, so it's sticking to the bottom. It smells good. So there we go. They're crispy. Yep, they are. So I'm putting them on a rack. Okay, I'm gonna do my next batch. Okay. And if you notice that the oil didn't go down when I put the second batch in there. So you kind of want that oil to keep, not doing a rolling boil, but you don't want the temperature to go down when you crowd your pot. All right, I'm gonna finish cooking these and I'll be back. Here is my shrimp. Guys, I want you to hear this. How crispy that is. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in a bowl. And they're still kind of warm because I just took them out the pot. If you guys wasn't here in my kitchen, I would take this whole pan and just pour it in here. I'm still trying to be fancy. Well, fancy is with the tongs. Right now, my fanciness is with my hands. Just listen to the sound. How crispy they are going across this. See that? They're crispy. Look at it. Listen to that. Okay, let me get this out the way. Well, no, I won't, so y'all have to excuse it. Okay, now I'm going to take that bang bang sauce and I'm just going to drizzle it. Just going to drizzle this all over. Excuse the back of the bowl. I'm going to leave some. Okay. Now I need to mix it. And you want to Toss it gently if you can. You know what? Guess what's going in? My hands. Put some more. The bang bang sauce is really good. You don't want to keep disturbing the coating because now I just did and it's trying to come off. See that? I'll eat the ugly part. Oh my goodness. That's good. Alright guys, here is my bonefish grill bang bang shrimp. Bonefish who? Hey, this is mine. My take, my twist. Guys, you talking about something is good. It is really, really super good. And I season it with my lemon pepper. I keep saying, guys, that this is coming on the market. I just got to put it on the my web page because Miss Smarty Pants, they had to go do a photo shoot. So that's done. So now I can put it on there. Look at this. Look at it. I didn't mix it too well because I was breaking up the coating. To be honest with you, I really like it without the coating too. It's crispy. It's good.